QNTM and CVM were trending yesterday, the 26th of November 2025. QNTM closed the regular session with a gain of 41.92% and extended gain to 49.13, and more than above average volume across the tape yesterday, more than 10 times. And the stock is now trading at a premium to its volume weighted average price. Volatility is equally high as well. Yes, the stock was trending because the company filed a lawsuit earlier this year. And in the lawsuit, the company detailed how certain hedge funds were spoofing the market and keeping the stock price depressed. So people were exchanging a lot of volumes. We're trading the stock quite hard yesterday in anticipation of what could possibly come out and all that stuff. And they were building on recent corporate updates as well, like warrant expirations and all of that. Fueled speculative buying during the regular session of yesterday, extending the momentum from the gains it had in the previous session. Okay, so the underlying trend on this 4-hour chart seems to be going neutral from bearish. And the stock, yes, it has been showing a lot of strength since Friday. As a matter of fact, since the whole of this week, it's just been on the upside. And the extrapolation is saying it's going to remain that way as well up till the 8th of December. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have, nothing to the upside, 7.91 on this chart. But in any case, the 40 period moving average is expected to also keep rising to catch any support, any pullback that is possible that could possibly happen. But even though we don't have current upper projections, previous ones are indicating that it has 10.51, which is currently at a downward projection. It has as high as 15.56, 16.45, 17.01. Let's return to the chart and see what, 13.32 intraday high, just right at the close of the post-market session of yesterday, the 26th. So these would be validating, or rather that intraday high will be testing some of the projections we have here. Yeah, even higher prices as well, 18.01, 19.50, 20.42. These were just printed as of the middle of October. That's where these projections were printed. Okay, let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. Daily chart. Okay, before this trend picked up, the 200-day moving average went neutral. Yeah, but it might just be going. It's still neutral, but we'll see. It might begin to change. Yeah, it's been showing a lot of strength since Friday the 21st, getting to a week now. The algo seems to be suggesting on this daily chart that it might remain strong up till Monday the 1st, and then on this daily chart, it doesn't expect it to go beyond its 40-day moving average. So it's saying that from Tuesday the 2nd, it might go into a contraction. Okay, so it has passed through, it has crossed its pivotal projection of 10.2, 10.30. And it's now testing the next where it just closed, which is around 11.67. Yeah, next target will be 13.65 on the daily chart. On the 4-hour chart, it seems to be suggesting that it's something that might happen on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, it seems to be suggesting that is what might happen. Okay, CVM also showed a decent amount of strength with a gain of 13.86%. Let's see what we have here. Okay, yeah, volume was not anything significant, but volatility is expected to get serious in the coming days. Yeah, the stock was trending due to discussions surrounding the potential FDA approval of Multikine, particularly based on its survival benefits in a phase three subpopulation. People were focused on a partnership with Dallah Pharma and its strategic significance in Cel-Sci's overall market strategy, including capital efficient market entry and revenue generation. Bullish sentiment is being fueled by the hope of FDA approval, driving speculation and increased attention on the stock as well. Okay, it is optionable, but not a lot of options available. Not a lot, just only one, I think. There might be more. Let's see. No, I think that's all we have. There's not more. There's more. There's only one. There's only one set of options. 7.75 printed in the regular session of yesterday. Let's see. CVM, okay. Extrapolation is saying that it might remain strong up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 28th, and then after that, it might go into a distributive contraction that might see it drop through its 40 period moving average. So from now on up till at least the 4th of December, it's expected that the contraction will be constrained by the 40 period moving average. But after that, if it falls through that, then there isn't any hope of any support that it might begin to even fall freely. Okay, projections are currently saying nothing to the upside. Okay, 7.31 is a downward projection, yeah, slightly downward projection, slight downward projection. 7.75 is an upper projection, or rather, it's intraday high. Okay, we have a pivotal projection here, not in play, but in play as of the 7th of November. It is 8.04. If it closes above that, it might go ahead and test 8.29 and possibly towards 8.57. Let's see the daily chart for CVM. Underlying trend severely bearish, and the algos are suggesting that from now at least up till the 18th of December, it might just be a volatile contraction. Yeah, a volatile distribution. Yes, to the down. Yeah, volatile distribution. But after that, it might begin to show some strength and might challenge the resistance from its 40-day moving average. So all in all, it's just a mix of a consolidation. Yeah, if you sum it all up, it's just a sideways movement at some point with a leg down towards the lows of, okay, let's see, towards the lows of possibly 5.76 by the 18th of December. Projections are currently saying nothing to the upside as things stand right now, but we know we've seen the highs of around 7.75 here as of the 20th, Thursday the 20th, or exactly 1 week ago. It had around 8.45, 9.36, 9.93, and indeed also downward projections of 5.79, 3.87, and 2.68. Yeah, okay. So have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.